I mean, penalties, not too much to be said about them except it's one player on the spot. Keeper doesn't need to do anything, but if makes a save, he's a hero. The striker could be the villain.
It's in there, races up, inside, 1-0 to Uganda. Abidaira in goal against Medi Kagera. Medi versus Daira. Inside, easily taken.
Yeah, Medi Kagera, the picture of focused concentration there.
It's a story. Lawyer for Uganda, story for Rwanda. Oh, what a save! What a save by Dori!
Yeah, fantastic save by Dori.
Just watching the next penalty. It is Haruna Niyonzima versus Abidaira. Niyonzima, the younger player. Many a time he has done this on this pitch. Abidaira. Oh!
They have awarded that Herbert out of the...
He misses it. It hits the crossbar. And it's still 1-1. It's still 1-1.
It's that comes crashing off the crossbar. That's a goal.
It is inside.
That is it, Herbert.
It is inside.
It has been
That penalty. Habu Kabuma. Over the bar, Kabuma. Over the bar. Habib Kabuma wants to cry.
anguish on the face of Habib Kabuma. He's had a
Cool composure. Emery Bayisenge. Emery Bayisenge to take the third penalty. For the Akabubi Stars. Kima Daira. Emery Daira. Emery. He misses it. Emery can't believe it.
he had the chance there to basically
Hamis Kiza. Jean-Claude Dori. Kiza versus Dori. Inside by Kiza. Asana placing the ball. Defender versus goalkeeper. Great save! Great save by Daira! Andy Mosigwa and Jean-Claude Dori. Inside Mosigwa.
brilliantly taken penalty. The Ugandan fans laughing. If you don't usually save those of your goal,
Gabo. Albert Gabo, the right back. This is a crucial kick for the Amavubi Stars. Oh, no, save! Well, Uganda. This is the 12th championship for them. Uganda are the new Sekafa Tusker Cup champions. The fans elated, Bobby Williamson elated, shattered dreams. Amavubi Stars will have to wait another year. Bobby Williamson congratulating the Rwandese players for an excellent final.